Hello, my beautiful people, my lovely people. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you're good. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're turning to my channel for the first time, you guys are definitely welcome. And for my old subscriber, I say very big thanks to you all. So, guys, today I just want to show you guys how you can style your box kinky braid, as in box big kinky braid, and this is how the hair is going to look like. So guys, let's get started for the styling. So can you see, just pack the hair, as in the hair is two color, and you use rubber band, the big rubber band, to pack it up. And you also need small cocoa rubber. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to just to wrap the hair the way I'm doing it, and just make sure the hair is firm. So after that, you apply you add your cocoa rubber band just to secure it, to make it stay. So you roll it very well, then you secure it with the cocoa rubber. Can you see, guys? Hope you can see what I'm doing. So I just want to show you guys how you can style your kinky box braid. Can you see? You just take a roll. Can you see? So you just take it, then use your hand to smoothen it, then you begin to roll it inside. Can you see the way I'm just rolling it? It's very easy, and it's very simple to do. Just pay attention and watch it very well. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if this video is helpful. Please share this video to your loved ones. Share. So back to styling of the box kinky braid. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm just showing you guys how to style your kinky. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. And to style this kinky box braid, you also need your hair wax, and I'm using assurance. I love assurance hair wax. It holds very well. So guys, can you see what I'm doing? Please let me know if you try to pack your hair this way. So now I want to control my edges. I'm done with the packing. Can you see? So it's looking very simple and beautiful. So now I want to lay my edges. Can you see? You just use your brush, your old toothbrush or the new one, and there is a comb brush for edge control. So but I'm actually using this toothbrush to lay my edges. Then you just apply little, and you brush it out, then you use it to curve the hair, as you can see what I'm doing here. So this is how you lay your edges, just to make it look more beautiful. So that is how you keep going. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Then you also use your hand to slick it very well. So when you are done with this first side, you go ahead to the other side, and you repeat the same thing. So when you're done, you use your scarf to tie it, and then you blow dry it, and that's all. So this is how I slay with my kinky box braid mixed with color 27 and black. So guys, thank you, and I will see you on my next tutorial. As you can see, so I'm done. This is how the hair is looking like. So I can flaunt my kinky braid. So guys, let me know in the comment section, and give this video a very big thumbs up if the video is helpful. So guys, that is all about styling box kinky braid, and I will see you on my next tutorial, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.